So you also want to increase your follower count, right? Without spending too much of your money on ads. So this video is for you because we all know that buying followers is not a healthy option for your page's long-term growth. So here we will see a lot of strategies that I implemented on my clients advertisement, and I will show you all the ads strategies that I implemented and how much lower cost I got for my clients Facebook page growth. So we'll discuss everything in detail. So stay in this video and let us start. So guys, there are mainly four kind of strategies that you must apply for getting best results of your clients' campaigns. Uh, Among which the number one is your ad copy. Then you must see about the ad creative. Then there is your campaign settings. And finally, you must see about your audience. So what kind of audience you apply, what kind of campaigns that you set, what kind of ad creative that you use, and what kind of ad copy that you create. We'll deep dive on these things, and I will show you the live results that I did for my clients, and you will have a clear picture. Okay, so let us start with the ad copy. So guys, about the ad copy, the thing that you must keep in mind is that your ad copy should align with your result that you want to achieve from your audience or your campaign. If you want your audience to go to a particular website and do nothing, just give the traffic data, then your ad copy should be like that I just want the traffic data. Your ad copy should be written like, just visit my page and have a clear picture of our business. That's it, nothing much. And if you think that I will create a campaign for traffic, and then when they go, some of them will automatically buy my stuffs, or they will fill up the lead form, that is totally not gonna work. Okay, Facebook ads do not work like that. If you want that your audience is not stupid, they always read the ad copy. They first of all, when we scroll through the Facebook ads, first of all, we if the ad creative is good, then we stop, we see the creative, then we read the ad copy. And if you want that we should go to a particular website and we buy some stuff, then you should write that, just go and buy that stuff. If you want us to just go to the website and have a clear picture of our business, then you should be writing about getting to the website and having an idea of your business. Nothing much. Like the result, first of all, let me show you the result. Let me first of all update this thing, okay? And not on this one, but let me go to the maximum, and you can see that the result that I got from this particular campaign, the campaign budget is, let me just show you. This is a campaign of increasing the followers, as you are seeing. The result that I got is 40 paisa, 40 INR paisa for one single uh, Facebook page follower that I got. Okay, so if you divide the 40 paisa about from the, let me just show you on US dollars, and 0.40 divided by 83, around it is 0.0048 dollars. Okay, so it is way cheaper than you think to get a Facebook follower if you apply the strategies well. Okay, so about the ad copy, let me just show you the ad itself, that we want the people to go to the page, and then we are going to go to the ad creative. Okay, but first of all, let me just show you what kind of creative that I wrote. So as you can see, I just want the Facebook, I just want the audience to go and follow this particular page. So I wrote, "Hello everyone, I'm Shankita, and this is a painter, and I love to show my work. My artwork includes paintings and personalized everything. If you are an art lover, just see on this particular um, thing. So if you are an art lover or looking to add a splash of creativity to your life, follow my journey, experience the magic of art. Okay, follow me on Facebook and be a part of the creative world I have crafted. Click below to stay connected." Just that's it. The simple text that I wrote, nothing much. I just want them to go and follow me. So just follow me and stay connected. That's it, nothing much. What problem we generally have is that we kind of think that we will create an ad for with the traffic objective, and then we will pitch them about the traffic, and then they will buy from the website. They will go to the website and they will buy my stuffs. Some of the stuffs will make me money. That is not the Facebook advertisements work. Okay, if you are showing your creative to be something that is asking them to buy, then have the ad copy and the ad creative simultaneously or synchronicity. Maintain the synchronicity between them. Okay. So that is about the ad copy. Let us now go to the ad creative itself. So guys, about the ad creative, you will have an idea what the ad creative. You know that it should be scroll stopping. It should be something that engages people. So always try to hook the people. Every single thing that you hear about creating your reels or creating your YouTube video, everything is applied to the ad creative of Facebook advertisement as well. The Facebook advertisement also want people to engage with them. It is preferable if you have some bold text over the ad creatives. If you have something unique or something scroll stopping, something brighter, then people will just when they are scrolling through Facebook, they will stop and they will see the creative. Okay, so in this particular campaign, the creative that I used is about a video that you are seeing right here. It is about a video of this painter. She's gonna see you can see that she's gonna now paint this particular thing. So this creative is also using the frequent gaps, frequent cuts, and the lights are visible. The video is very much engaging. You have to create an engaging video. Okay, so this video is not played whole, so you can if you want, then just comment down me below, so I will share the link of this advertisement as well, so you can have a clear idea of it. Okay, so if you want this advertisement link, then comment down below. Now guys, let us go to the campaign objective. Why campaign objective is important? Because there are a lot of campaigns that you can see about on Facebook, and what problem that people make, first of all, is that let me just go to the campaigns, and let me just first of all create a quick campaign for you guys. So as you can see, there are a lot of campaign objectives that you can have. There is an awareness, there is a traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales, a lot of things. What people generally do and what people think that will work on Facebook is that they will create traffic campaign on Facebook, and they will send huge traffic on their website, and they think that traffic website cost me very less money, and a sales campaign will cost me a lot of money. So why not create traffic campaign as my campaign objective, and then if 1,000 people will go there, then at least 100 people will buy, and I will get free money from there because I bought the traffic campaign. I got sales from there. That is not the Facebook advertisements work. If you want the people to go there, just have an overview of the business and overview of your products, then send just traffic. And if you want to have sales from the first, then you can do is create the sales objective from the starting. That is not means advised at all that you start with the sales objective. First of all, you have to warm up the audiences. If you have the budget, then always give some money for create taking people to the website and having just an overview of your product, of your business, because not a lot of people will buy on the first time they visit on your website. Okay, and if you want leads, that works the same way. If your business is of leads type, then first of all, what you can do is send traffic to your business or your website, then retarget the people for your lead objectives, okay, or your lead forms. That is the best scenario of creating the campaign objectives, and that is how you should target the Facebook people or the that is how you should create your campaigns. And if you ask about this particular advertisement that I created, so let me just go and show you what campaign objective that I created for this particular advertisement. So as you can see the campaign details, it is engagement campaign because I want engagement. Campaign objective is engagement because I want people to go to the web, to go to Facebook and engage with my page. Okay, that is why I chose the engagement campaign objective, okay, on this particular advertisement, that I got a very cheap or a very much followers on a cheap price. And guys, the most important part among all of these is your audience. If you choose a bad audience, then your campaigns, however budget you spent on them, they will not gonna work. Your audience is something that is very much crucial and that is very much important for you. Like, if suppose if I give you an example, then if you think you are selling golf sticks, okay, and you chose business persons as your objective, or you chose random everyone on Facebook to see your golf stuff. So it is quite it is very much easier for me to tell that the golf kits will not gonna sell, because if those ads will come to me, then I am not at all interested about golf. Okay, so why would I see your ad, and why would I think about your ad or whatever you are selling? You should always think about what kind of audiences are the best for this particular product. So that is how your audiences should work, and there are a lot of stages that how your audiences should be marked. And you can, first of all, if the audience size is broad like fitness, then you can choose the audience for a single audience interest, okay, like powerlifting, like gym, like weightlifting, like bench press or push-ups. The people who are interested about those stuffs, they will very much likely to, if they have an interest about them. What main problem that is happening right now with the new digital marketers is that they think if they are promoting some gym equipment, then they are gonna just randomly note down or randomly select all of the interests that are available on Facebook, on the Facebook advertisement. But that is not the best way to do it. Let me just show you one simple thing, and it will be very much clear for you. Okay, like if you see, like here, if we go to the audiences, the audiences that I created here, the detail for the detail targeting of this particular advertisement is just painting. I could have added drawing, I could have added fine art or watercolor painting or oil painting, visual arts. All of those things are the same. But if you see that if I choose painting, then also the audience targeting is huge in India. Okay, that is huge. There are a lot of people who are interested in painting. So why do I need about oil painting or any other kind of stuff? This is how, if your size is very big, then you do not need a lot of matching up, lot of audience interest on the same campaign objective. You can create separate campaigns, but that is also a thing that you should keep in mind, that the overlap will happen. Okay, so you create two campaigns, one for oil painting and one for just painting, then there will be a huge audience overlap. So the people who Ramesh or Suresh who saw your campaign one will also after some time will see your campaign two. So your ads will just compete with themselves only. So that is not that is gonna happen. You should create a single objective and you should scale your ads first of all. And then if you see that after a long time your ads is gonna fatigue, then you can change your interests. And on this particular ads, as I showed you already, that I chose the painting part, and that is how this particular campaign gave me so much good results. Let me show you the results. quickly. So the result that I got is 17,000 followers. Okay, I got 17,000 followers. The cost per result is 0.04. You can see that this particular campaign is active, and the amount spent is 7,000 rupees, 7,200 rupees INR, and that is about 7,193 divided by 84. It is $85. For $85, I got around 17,000 Facebook followers. Okay, that is all over the world. So that is very, very cheap, even closer to buying new audience from social media marketplaces. So if now this ends right here, and now if you want to set up something like this, and if you want your Facebook page to be grown like this, let me just give you my number so you can call me and then we can have a chat. That is 8420019444. Okay, so that is my number. You can call me, and I can create some similar campaign for your business as well. And if you like this video, do subscribe on this channel. I will share a lot of tips with you on this particular channel. So, and give a thumbs up on this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.